like every name is a mail ID. Just imagine. Every name is what, Saji? Mail ID. Now, I have a question for you. He done how many times transaction? 2 times as of now. Though you are looking at the data. Sir, not only 2 times. He may done other times. Yeah, here also Venu actual. Now my requirement will be, I wanted to access only Viru records. What records actually? Viru records actually. I wanted to know Viru how many times he done transaction. Yeah, that is also called as a data selection. Yeah, accessing specific customer records. Accessing what, Saji? Specific customer. I would like to say this is specific customer actually. Specific customer. Customer. I will show you how to access these are all. Are you getting everybody? Good. The next one. 6-1. Then you'll access only what I wanted to access, Saji. Samsung M10 records actually. Samsung M10, what exactly mean? Records. Specific product I wanted to access. Trust me, these are all operations we are doing. This is seriously beautiful, sir. These are all operations we are doing. I hope you are ready, I guess, actually. Can I continue? So the topic will be, what is the today topic, There is a data frame. From that data frame, I wanted to select the data. Top 5 rows I wanted to select, already, head method. Last 5 rows I wanted to select. What is the method name? Tail method. I wanted to select a single column. You already know the point actually. Am I right? How to select a single column? 2 ways. First one, dot notation. Next one, index actually. Yeah, same, copy paste actually. The next one, I wanted to select group of columns. Now, I'm sure from here to here, you might feel very comfortable actually. Then, same operations we are going to apply by using lock and iLock also. Then we'll get a clarity. That's what we are trying to doing actually. Madam, are you getting? Yeah, let's move on then. Introduction. I have just given introduction actually. Now let me start the cinema. Any chapter, first we need to understand introduction. Right? Fine. Let us start, sir. Let me start. It's okay. You can keep this. Good. The first one, selecting a single column. Selecting a multiple columns actually. Yeah, very good, man. Based on requirement, we can select columns from the data frame. If you select a single column, then it returns what such a series. Unknowingly, we already done this example. A long back, I already explained actually, right? Accessing a single column. What is the data set? Sales 1. Oh, I'm trying to accessing a column. What is the column name? Product. What is the notation I'm using? But what is the recommended actually? Index. What is the recommended? First example, selecting a single column. Selecting a single column. Let me do Saji. I need your help in terms of code support actually. Can you help me while writing the code actually? Chappan sir, how to write a code actually cheptara? Import pandas as pd. df equals to pd.read underscore csv. Sales. Sales 1.csv. Then you can just have to print what, boss? df. Data frame is printing. First, always see the output so that you can feel comfortable. Yeah. So once you are seeing output, you have to feel you achieve something actually. Yeah, very good. We got an output. Hello. Yeah, we got an output, Sachi. Am I right? Now, can I access the specific column? Yeah, you can access. How to access specific column, sir? Good. First of all, let me just have to take this one. Easy, sir. Very easy. Don't worry. Why you are worrying? Actually, it's very easy. So creating a data frame. Follow our material. Things will become very easy. Don't worry at all. Selecting a single column. Selecting what exactly, sir? Single column. Yeah, we can select very easily. If you really know, I already explained the syntax. Dot what exactly mean? Product. But I cannot recommend this one. Why? Because what issue? Space issue. I guess actually. Space issue. Let's take this one. Single column by using dot notation. What notation? Dot notation. But I'm sorry, I cannot recommend this. Then why? Was space issue. What issue? Space issue. The next one by using index. By using what, Saji? Index actually. Index. Okay. You can just, we done this example. Good. Nice, sir. Very nice actually. Move on. this is called as a selecting the data. Yeah, you are selecting. There is a data frame. From that data frame, you are selecting a small chunk of the data. Move on. Next example. You kindly please move on. But hold on, I have a question. Can somebody tell what is a read underscore CSV? Function, very good. Function calling assigning into variable. Backend written. Backend written. You are assigning into variable, you can say. You are assigning into object also, you can say actually. Why red color? Keyword actually. Very good. Hold on. You are calling something by using object name. No parenthesis. Attribute. Column names looks like say attribute actually. Column names looks like what, Saji? Did you remember like a shape attribute, columns attribute? Am I right? If you wanted to access a single column, it might be mislead you. Maybe it is attribute actually. Yeah, backend it behaves like attribute. It behaves like what, Saji? Daniel, can I say? Yeah, you can use dir function. What function? All columns are available inside the data frame actually. That's what you are able to access by using dot notation. By using what notation? Dot notation. But instead of calling this one as an attribute, you have to call column name. You have to call column name actually. Can I highlight here actually? Attribute as column name. df dot shape. It is attribute. df dot product. df dot what exactly? Product. It is what exactly, no? Column name actually. Please ensure you should know the difference. Do you have any other columns? Quantity. Can I capture this? Nice explanation, man. It's a column. You should recognize which one is column, which one is not a column actually. That is a good. I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is a shape? Attribute. What is a product? Column name. Chappan sir. Column name. Yeah, we are good to go. Yeah, we are using indexing. That's what, So go for index actually. Select a multiple columns. Select what, Sajji? Yeah, we can select, sir. We can select actually. Come on, let me select multiple columns. The next example is selecting the multiple columns. Or else group of columns. What exactly mean? Group of column. Daniel, how to select? Very easy, man. Very easy. First, what we need to do, So you do one thing. First of all, load the data frame. Create a data frame. Load the data set. Yeah, good. This is called as a file. That is called as a file. Also called as a data set. Also called as a data set actually. Then manu data set and go down. Kind info. This is called as file. Also called as data set actually. Data set. If you are regular of running notes pattern, you can easy to understand. Move on. Oh, Daniel data frame created, right? Yeah, post data frame is created. Whenever you are printing the data frame, by default it will display all name of the columns. By default it display all name of the column. I don't want all columns. I wanted to select a specific column. We done actually single column. Now Daniel, I wanted to select a 2 columns. Out of 4 columns, I wanted to select a 2 columns or 3 columns actually. What exactly mean? Either 2 or 3. Can we select? We can select. Very easy. What we need to do, First to prepare the list search. Columns equals to how many columns you want? 1, 2. Then do one thing. Prepare string first column for second column. First column name, which one you want actually? I need customer name. That's still okay. Second column name, I need what exactly, sir? It's quantity, yes, sir. Okay, let me take quantity actually. Then I would like to say this one is a df1 and here also df1. Here what you can do, you can use calls. Yeah, you got a 2 columns data frame. You got what exactly, man? 2 columns data frame. This is seriously very good. The same example, if you want, let me assign with the df2. Let me assign with what exactly, man? df2. Yeah, Daniel, I can assign df2 equals to like this actually. This is beautiful. Why? Because if you wanted to apply any operations on 2 columns actually, go for df2. If you wanted to apply any operations on 4 columns actually, go for. Are you with me or not, sir? Let me ask one question. Let me print df1. Then let me print what, Sarji? df2. If you assign with one variable, I mean to say object actually, operations will become very easy. What happened? Oh, thank you, sir. Good catch. Name error. Don't worry, name error actually. By this time, you should know how to fix name error. How to fix name error actually. You should be master. Okay. Yeah. The first one is a data frame which is having all columns actually. Yeah, Daniel, all 4 columns. Second data frame is which we have created. From the data frame number 1, we are selecting the specific column. Then again we are getting new data frame. Now the point will be data frame 2 is 2 columns data frame. How many columns? If you are assigning a variable like this, what is the beauty? Hey, I wanted to select the top 5 values actually. Then call head method. Call what method, sir? Yeah, that's what actually. Though it is a data frame, apply operations, man. You can call head method, tail method, info method. I'm sorry, are you getting everybody? Yeah, good. Understand? No jantar mantar, man. Just to practice. Nice. Online team, are you following everybody? Let me drink water. Meanwhile, I need a response from you. Ramya Garu, what about others? Sushma Garu, Jalaja. Only madams are responding. Mukhtar Sarji, Vijay. Okay, thank you. All right. Then thank you. Let's move on. Where are we? So I'm sure we covered these all example. Oh, very nice, man. Imagine there is a data frame. Yeah, Daniel. Data frame is we already having this data frame df1. Now understand the requirement. Daniel, my requirement will be I don't want to access the top 5 rows. I don't want to access the last 5 rows. I don't want to select a single column. What I want is do one thing. Go to the quantum. I'm sorry, not quantum, quantity. I'm working on quantum computing project. That word is coming. Yeah, quantity. There is one book I read yesterday. I like books reading, sir. I'm very mad actually. Per day minimum I used to give 1.5 hour, 2 hour only for reading books, technical books actually. There is a one book. The book heading is Q for quantum. Q for what, Saji? I feel amazing actually. Then I thought I need to create one material. P for Python. I'm sorry for. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Back to the session. Habituate slowly by slowly. Technical books reading is awesome actually. Yeah, good. Quantity. Daniel, though quantity, I just wanted to apply cumulative sum.